Where are we going today, baby?
We're going to the market.
What kind of market?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Well, we go to the market. Let's go. So the plan was originally to go to the market today, but we struggled finding a parking spot so badly that I was like, you know what, why don't I just drop all you guys off and I'll go get another beach workout in. And Mo was like, you know what, I kind of want to film some stuff.
I do.
So that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna go grab a workout and Mo is gonna capture some sick footage. 100%. I'm absolutely stealing some of your footage for the vlog as well.
100%, you're welcome to it, brother.
Because the drone footage that you grabbed, from what I've seen so far, is so sick.
Ooh, yeah, the sunset ones, they're absolutely brilliant. I can't lie.
Honestly, when you were showing me those last night, I was like, I want a drone so bad.
Oh my God, I'm gonna get you to. He's gonna get a drone, guys. One day,
it's like £1,500.
Maybe not the 1,500.
The more footage I see, the more I want to get one. But the gym's literally right here, so I'm gonna go get a quick workout in, and then we're probably gonna have to rush off to go pick up Mo and the girls.
Yep.
So let's do it. It's probably super windy right now, so I don't actually know if you can hear anything. But if you can, that was honestly probably the sweatiest workout of my life. I don't normally work out shirtless, simply because I work out in gyms with other human beings, and I'm not a true fitness influencer just yet. Mark my words, we'll get there. But goddamn, I was shirtless. We're in the sun, sweating. It was good though. Still, limited equipment in terms of what you can actually do. But if you're serious about it and you want to get a bit inventive, you better go work out in. So I am now on my way to go meet Mo. Don't know if you can see the pier back this way, but he is off to the pier to go to get some sick drone. I see him. He's on the edge of the pier. So I'm gonna go meet up with Mo, head back to the apartment, and probably go pick up the girls and pick up Dante from the market later. See you soon. Much love. I feel like I'm at a wedding right now. There he is, getting some sick shots. It's not too windy, it's not too bad. Oh, did he set up the R6? He's hyper-fixated on the drone right now. I don't know if I'm ruining his shot. How are we, bro?
It's good, bro.
How's it going?
Not too bad, man, not too bad.
Getting some shots?
Yeah, I just need to stop that camera from recording now.
Oh, he's at the park?
So that's why I thought, since that
oh, shit.
let me capture something of it.
There it is. So sick. Bro, I feel like we should show off the mountains and the glory. Bro, I was just saying, it's like the sweatiest workout I've ever had in my
I'm
life.
standing here and I'm sweating like
bro,
I can't even imagine what you're like.
I am melting right now. What a beautiful place though.
I'm hoping I lose weight in this process just by sweating it off.
I was saying on the way here, that's a serious setup over here with the tripod.
Yeah. I'm sorry, take that one.
We just picked up the girls from girls and Dante from the market. How was it?
It was really fun, it was cute.
What did you get?
How was the market? It was great.
What did you get?
I got
I got waterproof Uno, guys. Oh my gosh.
I got a little something for Teddy.
in the pool?
Do you want to see what we met this guy called Tony Picasso,
Tony Picasso.
and look what he did for us.
Oh, fair play. That's nice.
After food, we have decided it's nap time. Well, you're gonna nap. I'm just gonna lay here because I don't have a choice.
Poop time.
So I said I wasn't gonna nap, and it was just gonna be you that napped. But I ended up napping as well. We are gonna go just have like a nice chilled evening. I think that we are gonna go to the pool. Gonna order some
I haven't
food.
been to the pool yet.
I haven't been to the pool yet either. And then I think we're gonna go spend the evening in the hot tub.
I've not been in the hot tub yet.
I have. You wanna go pool?
A hot tub.
Very nice. I can't believe we've been here for best part of 4 days. And where we're staying is literally, that's where I did the hot tub stream. We've had this really nice pool here the whole time. No, I'm kidding. We are now heading to McDonald's. McDonald's? McDonald's. We're gonna get some food.
I'm in my pajamas. You
I
can't see.
it's very dark, but I can turn up the brightness and post. You look very cute with your braids too. But quick story time. So we were in the pool. We were having a lovely time, and then for whatever reason, I just had the worst itchiness sensations I've ever had in my entire life. I just couldn't handle it. I had to like run inside real quick. I had to jump in the shower, and I was like, maybe after sun will help. Didn't. Made it 10 times worse. So I've just spent the last like 90 minutes pretty much curled up in a ball in bed, desperately trying not to scratch my chest off because it's been so burned. It's weird though because it was absolutely fine until the pool. But we're okay now. We're gonna go get some McDonald's.
Are you okay?
This could be good.
Yeah, that's just my hiccup. And just carry on.
After a late night trip to Mackie D's, we are just about ready for bed. So we gone, conk out, and we'll see you tomorrow for the final day. Much love.